जवां है जवां मंजिल है आसमां है जवां जोश तेरा
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Nambardar TV. We have some exciting news to share with you. The All Pakistan Nambardar Association, registered, has signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, with the government of Pakistan.
It is a great honor to sign this MOU, which marks a significant step forward for our association.
And look forward to the positive outcomes of this agreement.
This MOU will provide maximum facilities to the association and its members. We are grateful to the government for their support.
A scene is shown of the association's members celebrating and congratulating each other.
This is a great achievement for the association and we are proud to be a part of it. We will continue to work together for the betterment of our community. Thank you for watching Nambardar TV. We'll keep you updated on any latest news and development.
से कम नहीं इसका हमको है यकीन जा वतन पर